In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix WhatsApp web QR code not loading or scanning on Windows 10 or 11. If you've ever felt frustrated because the QR code just won't appear or scan, you're not alone. But don't worry, we'll go through some simple steps to resolve this issue so you can get back to chatting in no time. First, let's tackle the easiest fix by refreshing the page. Sometimes all it takes is a quick refresh to clear any minor glitches that might be preventing the QR code from loading. So go ahead and press the F5 key on your keyboard or simply click the refresh icon in your browser's toolbar. It may sound too simple, but you'd be surprised at how often this actually works. If refreshing the page doesn't do the trick, it's time to clear your browser cache. Over time, caches can clutter up your browser, leading to loading issues. Head over to your browser settings and look for the option labeled Privacy and Security. Within this menu, you'll find an option for clear browsing data. Make sure to select this and then hit the Clear Data button. Once you've done that, restart your browser and navigate back to web.whatsapp.com to see if this resolves the issue. Now, if the QR code is still acting elusive, the next step involves disabling browser extensions. Sometimes extensions, particularly ad blockers or privacy focused ones, can interfere with the proper display of the QR code. Open your browser settings again and navigate to the extensions menu. Here you can temporarily disable unnecessary extensions to see if they're the root of the problem. Remember, you can always re-enable them later. If none of these solutions have worked so far, let's try using your browser's incognito or private mode. This browsing setting doesn't save cookies, browsing history, or most extensions by default, which often helps bypass any potential conflicts that might be preventing the QR code from loading. Open a new incognito or private tab and navigate to web.whatsapp.com. By doing this, you might find that the QR code appears without issue. Sometimes the problem is simply due to interference from saved cookies or extensions that load automatically. Testing in incognito can help determine if these factors are at play. If the QR code loads without a hitch in incognito mode, you may want to adjust your regular browser settings or extension list accordingly. So there you have it, a few straightforward ways to troubleshoot those pesky QR code loading issues. Try these fixes step by step and hopefully one will work for you. If you continue to encounter problems, don't hesitate to reach out for technical support or consult the WhatsApp support pages for more in-depth solutions. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy chatting.